Hey everyone, if you're getting an upload error in Guidde AI and your recordings, screenshots, or guides won't upload properly, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the most effective ways to fix Guidde AI upload errors in 2026. First, check your internet connection. Uploading files to Guidde requires a stable connection, and even brief interruptions can cause uploads to fail. If possible, switch to a stronger network and try again. Next, refresh the page and attempt the upload once more. Temporary browser or platform glitches can sometimes interrupt the upload process. Another common fix is signing out of your Guidde account and then signing back in. This refreshes your session and may resolve temporary account-related issues. If you're uploading a recording, make sure the recording completed successfully before starting the upload. Incomplete or corrupted recordings can trigger upload errors. You should also update your browser to the latest version. Older browsers may have compatibility issues that affect file uploads and cloud-based features. And that's how to fix Guidde AI upload errors in 2026. In most cases, checking your connection, updating your browser, clearing cache, or disabling conflicting extensions will solve the issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.